Okay. So, my camera wasn't recording. Yeah, that's how that goes. Pretty much, we are cooking some chicken. Ow, I hurt my hand. We had some of this lovely, Kirkwood all-natural boneless, skinless chicken breasts. We took it out of the package. We cut off the fat. And now we have seasoned them. So for half of them, I used this Fat Boy sweet rub here. And then on the other ones, I used some dry ranch seasoning and some of this garlic ranch seasoning because it is amazing. And I'm just gonna sprinkle some more on top because I really like it. Okay, so now that we have that going on, I have some cheese slices. So I know stuffed chicken is really good. I've never made it with sliced cheese though. I've always had shredded cheese, but I don't have any shredded cheese. So I don't know. We are just gonna try it out though. So I think I should unwrap all of them before I start touching the chicken. Just because I feel like that's a smarter idea. I don't even know how this is gonna go, but we are learning. We are experimenting. We are cooking some dinner, trying to be healthier, and maybe lose a little bit of weight on the way. So, I guess, I don't know, there's nothing to it but to do it. We'll just take it, move that out of the way. So I'm just gonna plop the cheese in there. And I'll put 2 in this one. Stuff that in there. Ranch seasoning. Now this one kind of didn't cut properly. It's got a hole in it. So I'm just going to put 2 in this one and just leave it upside down. So this one will stuff some cheese in there. We'll stuff some cheese in there. Hopefully this doesn't all just like melt out. Stuff some cheese. And then here's the other one. I'll just stick it on top. The little piece was so frail it broke off. Okay. So we have our chicken. Our chicky. And I think we're good to put them in the oven now. Should probably take the tin foil off the oven. It's good enough, right? So we have the chicken. And now we'll put it in the oven. Okay, so the oven is preheated to 375 and yeah, so about 45 minutes. So I will set a timer. And those are going to be done in about 45 minutes. We'll check in when they're done. Okay, so I'm boiling some eggs because they're healthy. And my chicken is done. I don't think any of it really stayed in the chicken. So, I don't really even know. Oh well, I mean, it's cooked, so we did it! There's like too bright a light. But,